Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the GoPro Lite Hero connection fail in the Quik app. There are two things that you can do to fix that. Let's get the camera on. Let's slide down from the top of your screen, go to the right page and tap on Preferences. Now go to Connections and select Reset Connections. Now click Reset All and click on it again. Now it will reset the connections, so you'll need to connect with your phone again. I'll show you that in a moment. Now, if that didn't help, your device that you have may be, for example, a little older and may not support 5 gigahertz or network band as good as it should. And in that case, you may want to go to Preferences and go to Connections, then go to Wi-Fi band and set it to 2.4 gigahertz. It is more compatible with all different types of phones, but has a lower speed. So that is also pretty important to mention that 2.4 gigahertz has lower speeds of transfers, but also what's great, it works on further distances. So if your distance is higher between your phone and the camera, and they are not next to each other, then 2.4 gigahertz will also help you fix that issue. Now we'll need to reconnect to the app. So what I'll do is I'll go to the GoPro app and I'll click on 3 dots right here, then remove camera. Now let's reconnect it. Select Connect a GoPro, then it'll start searching for available. I'll actually click on Connect Device here, then Connect a GoPro, and it'll find it automatically. Click on Connect, and now you can see it is pairing. Let's allow the Bluetooth pairing request, and my phone is going to be paired to the camera now. Let's give it a little moment. And yes, I'll leave it not renamed. I'll do this later. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and see you in the next one.